And finally, again, why do we deserve this award? Well, our management practices are phenomenal. We've done our homework. We're not the boys club anymore. We provide opportunities for women to grow and advance, to train and groom, to be in top leadership positions. We've got all that in place now, and we are proceeding to empower women and gender individuals and other diversity inclusion within our workplace. We feel that all input is imperative to the success of the company, and everyone has something valuable to offer. That is our motto right now. That is going to be our motto. We want our managers, our HR, our executives, and our employees to assess their biases. We've undergone some extensive training and role playing in our company to participate in helping create opportunities that are available to everyone. And we want to keep in mind Hofstede's programming and that cultural norms influence how we interact. So we research all cultural opportunities for inclusion, whether we're in the United States or whether we're globally abroad, looking at expansion in places like Brazil or possibly China or other areas like that. And we also are looking at this type of information so that we know how to include all our employees in our U.S. offices as well. Our training is focused on the best practices for diversity management on the job. We're careful of our communication and our feedback methods, and we alter them to fit the needs of everyone within our company. We want to eliminate confusion and create inclusion. And we've created that buy-in through engagement, communication, committees, and conflict resolution. Thank you for joining me today. Again, I ask that you think about this strongly, and that we are the best company that has gone above and beyond to include diversity programming within our company, and that we do indeed deserve this award for our inclusion efforts. If you have any questions, I'll be available after the lecture today. Otherwise, again, thank you for joining me. My name is Stacy Williams, and I am the Human Resources Manager at our global company, and I hope that you will consider us for this honorary award. We're very excited to work with you on that. Thank you again.